the question goes, why does Torah mention so little about Yitzhak Avinu? It seems to mention more even about Esav and Yitzhak. Esav than Yitzhak.
But Yitzhak, so there is not a lot to learn from Yitzhak, right? He was holy. He was raised in a holy home, right? And he was so holy that our sages say he did not even see anything wrong with Esav, right? So some say yes, but he was trying to bring him back, and that's why he did not did not confront him with all these bad things that he was doing. But others say no, he was so holy, he was so above it. So what can we learn? Yeah, he self-sacrificed. Akedah, we do it in all of the details. We learn on Rosh Hashanah, all these things, right? We actually pray every day, so don't forget. So we say this Akedah every day. Doesn't matter, on all of the Yom Tovs, all of the holidays, every day we say this prayer. That's how important. So to have this to merit of Yitzhak Avinu. So, but besides that, he did not have too many challenges, like Yaakov, for example. But Yaakov is written a lot because he went through so much. So Torah, it's not like history book, right? So he lives 130 years, so they have to spend so many pages. He lived 80 years, so many pages. Absolutely not. So Torah is a book ethical book that we can learn from, or Chumash is to derive mitzvahs. All 630 mitzvahs comes from Chumash, not from the Navi, not from writings, not from other books. Right, so that's but they are given in a story form. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.